everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Suday and this is my 9.5 month lock update. Long overdue, of course. So I'm just looking at my hair per usual. It's gotten so long, like I just can't believe it's already almost about to be a whole year I've had locks. So I started my locks on February 1st, 2020. I used aloe vera gel and made by SOMI Herbal Gold hair oil. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've been maintaining my hair with basically water, spray, oil, and aloe vera gel. That's pretty much it this entire time. So I'm just showing you the back of my hair right now. The little pieces in the back used to be an undercut, so my hair is actually growing very quickly because that part was basically shaved off to my scalp for a couple of years, and it's just, I can't wait till it gets long enough to be in a ponytail because I want to be wearing ponytails, you know? So if you want to see how I wash and actually retwist my hair, I have a video of that. I used just oil and water in the last retwist, or the one before this one, so check the description box for that link. Hang time, period.
That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park every night and visualize seeing yourself as
So most of my locks kind of have this form, like a butterfly faux lock type of form, and at first I didn't really like it, but you know, now I'm just embracing my hair as it comes, and I'm actually demonstrating how I retwist my hair. Just in that clip, I do a method called locksmithing, and what that is I just kind of like wrap the little hairs around my lock as I go down.
I dated it Thanksgiving 1995.
So this is the Made by SOMI Herbal Gold hair oil, and I am about to oil my scalp right here, right now. And this is honestly the best part of having any protective style. Oiling my hair just feels so good to me. And you get to watch about a minute of me doing just that. So this is the aloe vera gel that I use to retwist my hair. Most recently, I just retwisted or washed and retwisted my hair about 9 days ago. Wait, 11/10. Oh, that was 7 or 8 days ago. Yeah. So I used this aloe vera gel, and I just got it from Target. It was $5. I don't use any particular aloe vera gel, just any aloe vera gel, because they're all the same pretty much. And I also use the same aloe vera gel for my baby edges, as you can see. And it just works really well. I mean, my my retwist was popping with this gel last week. I mean, it was popping, and it still looks pretty good even right now.
Visualize seeing yourself as
Yeah, I would visualize. I would
this is when you
visualize
So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
people that I respected saying,